Si Kitty good, guys. Si Kitty good, sir. Ayan na si Kitty, guys. Opo. Welcome back to the Netherlands.
Hi.
Can we...
How's
Wait.
Tatay? Healthier than you expected, huh?
Oh. Kit, can we interview you for a bit? Yes, oo.
Okay.
Panang...
Just quickly lang.
Very cheerful to see me, and
Of course.
as usual, he sends his warm regards to everyone, to the supporters, for of course the unwavering love and support,
Yes.
and for the family, sends his love, his pure love to everyone.
Kit, meron ba siyang kanang... did you hear about the situation that he was rushed to the hospital?
Yes, but he is okay. It's just he's okay actually. I expected him to be more frail, but he's not. He's doing well. He's even better as compared to the first few weeks inside.
Okay.
He sounded more lively, more sharp, and
How did he feel that he didn't have any family visits for 2 weeks?
he was looking for my mother for so many times, and I had to explain to him the situation, and he understood, of course. But ayun, he was constantly reminding me to, do something about it. And I reassured him that we're doing our best. But as of now, I'll be the one
For visit.
We're having a prayer rally for Tatay Digong tonight. I hope you can join us.
Yes, I will.
Yeah.
Ano lang kasi I'm busy with my studies.
Yes,
also,
okay.
So let me just finish everything, and I will be there tonight. I
Yes.
cannot promise that I'll be early, but
Sure.
Yeah,
I
we'll-
will try, of course, to
We'll be there.
pass by. Yes.
Kit, last question lang talaga. What's the biggest difference from the last time you visited him and right now?
I'll be honest with you, not much. I was so worried when I was in the Philippines. I was so worried that when I've been asking my siblings and the lawyers, can you tell me what to expect? Should I expect a thinner dada, a thinner papa? They kept reassuring me na he's doing good, there's no difference. And when I saw him inside, ayun nga, they were right. The only difference is he now has a long beard.
Okay.
It's color white.
okay.
And he does have white colored eyebrows now.
Okay.
And ayun, but his hair, ayun, maarte kasi yun. So, meron siyang hindi naman daily, siguro weekly hair dye. So, ayun pa rin.
Excellent.
Hindi na siya pure black, may pagka-blonde siya.
Oh,
so,
that's so good.
That's
Kit, also last question. Importante kasi ito kasi this is a very big victory for the entire Filipino people. Alam niya ba na nanalo with respect sa Supreme Court?
yes,
Si VP Inday Sara.
about it. He sent his regards to my sister, and he told her that he is extremely proud of her.
Did you know that it was a unanimous Supreme Court decision?
Yes, he knows about all of that. And he also knows na, ayun, continuous pa rin yung rotation of visits namin dito, pupunta sila. So, and excited siya kasi,
You're here.
You're here, yeah, exactly.
ako muna, of course,
Yeah.
for now, and
You look so beautiful, Kitty, actually.
I'm sorry guys, you really have to go.
One more question, very last lang, Kitty. What was the first question na tinanong niya sa'yo when she saw you? When he saw you, sorry.
actually, it wasn't a question. He said, ang laki ko na daw. In a way na,
A woman,
but
yeah.
But I think
You grew taller.
he thinks that I'm taller now. Maybe it's because of the, the slippers
Yeah.
I'm wearing. But kasi he was wearing flat slippers, so I
Yeah.
think this added to my height. But
Yeah.
ayun, he was surprised to see me.
Yeah.
Sobrang tangkad ko yung almost his height.
Oh.
Kasi ako yung pinakamaliit sa amin. But he was happy to see na I was growing. I mean, I'm not growing anymore, but
Okay.
that's
He
what
knows
said.
you're here 4 times a week for him.
Kitty, welcome back to the Netherlands. It's good to see you. And see you later, ha?
Yeah.
Okay.
Pabuhay ka,
Bye.
Kitty.
Yan po si Kitty.
Bye, Kitty.
Regards kung papa na.
Gong.
Regards sa Dulce ha.
Ako ang ina na gwapa kay kadiri na.
Dulce.
Oh, lagi.
Kit,
Ako ang ina na.
Kit, pwede quick selfie ko. Dali lang. Thank you. Thank you, Kit. Mabuhay ka. You look so pretty. My God. Saan man na pag-achieve, Kit? Can you please let us know?
Actually, Nakatulog lang yun ko.
Hala, oy, marag prayers na yun yung kanang water. No, grabe no, very plump ang ano.
Ganda mo,
Oh my God, super pretty. I love it. Thank you, ha. Okay, thank you, Kit, ha.
Pasal figure tayo.
Yeah, you look so pretty. Kit, mabuhay ka, Kit, ha. Regards, greetings to your mom. Take care. Dugod sa imuhang pag-study, Kit. Thank you. See you later. Mabuhay ka, Kit. Take care of her, please. Thank you. Thank you, sir. Drive her safely. Drive good, okay? She is the future of our country as well. Thank you.
We love them.
So yun na po mga kababayan, ladies and gentlemen, that was Kitty. Yun po ang pinaka-latest interview. Yun po ang latest na information about kay PRRD mga kababayan, and that is very much important for us to know na si PRRD is okay. There's nothing much difference from the first time she saw him and up until today. And my heart is filled with joy and very much positivity because finally we have clarified na si PRRD with respect to his hospital visit is only a matter of routine. And at the same time mga kababayan, sinabi din ni Kitty that the former president knows about the victory of the vice president with respect to the case before the impeachment proceeding na final sa kanya ng mga House of Representatives with respect doon sa impeachment Supreme Court, by the way, sorry po. And it's really worth the entire planning and everything mga kababayan because finally we were able to get more information to share to the entire Filipino people who's anxiously waiting about the whereabouts kay PRRD. Now she looks so pretty. She has a very plump lips, and I think everybody, you should go and try to visit Baker. Become a Baker baby. Grabe, sobrang ganda ang skin itself. Sobrang ganda mga kababayan. I'm going to upload the video that I took with respect to the interview real quick mga kababayan.